Hi, welcome to Postbox CSC channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we are going to continue the topic called machine learning life cycle. The previous session we explained about what is the introduction to machine learning, what is machine learning, why we need, and what are the applications of machine learning also, and what are the types of machine learning. Let's continue the session today. So we are going to discuss today the entire machine learning life cycle. So machine learning life cycle. So it's a process. What you can say exactly? It's a process to build an efficient machine learning project also. Moreover, the main purpose of the life cycle is to find a solution to the problem or the project here. Moreover, it consists of the various steps like gathering data wrangling, train the model, data preparation, analyze the data, test the model, and deployment. Let's see discuss. Let's go to discuss them one by one. First one, it's look like it have the diagram like that. Follow diagram: gathering data preparation, wrangling, or we can say data cleaning and transformation also. Then analyze data, train model, train test model, deployment. At last, deploy the model here. First one is the gathering data. So gathering data, we can say it's considered of the two step. First step of machine learning. Two steps is there. One is called primary data, and another called the secondary data. Primary data in the sense these are collected by the researcher from the first hand source, and secondary data here is collected by the someone else and has been already been passed through the statistical process here. So it's the one of the most important step also. This step include the information like identify the varied data sources, collect the data, indicate the data obtained from different sources. So if you perform the task, we can get a set of data, and also that called as a data set. So the data, let's say example, you can say the data may be a files or anything. Files are databases or anything is where. And next step is preparation. So preparation in the sense what? After collecting the data, next step is what? Preparation. Here we have to prepare for the first step. What you can say means we can put data in a suitable place and prepare to use in our machine learning or training. So what purpose we are going to do the preparation, and also we can do this concept two steps called data exploration and called data pre-processing. Here data exploration means you can understand the nature of the data and we have to work to it, and also we have to understand the characteristics, quality of data, and also it should be effective outcome also. So when you go for this one correlations, we have to check out the outcome here. And pre-processing, we can say here it consists of steps like data cleaning and data transformation and dimensionality reduction. Here data cleaning means you can say filling the missing data and smoothing noise data, and also data transformation, that is called norm. It consists of a normalization. So here what will happen means when you go for the data, it may have some variance. So we have to gather the data and check it out whether the data is okay, whether data is accept for the developing the application or not. Next is the data wrangling, or you can say data cleansing. Here is a important step where whatever means here we are going to convert the data into a usable format. That is also you can say selecting the variable to use and transforming the data into the proper format to make it. So what way you want to use the data? That's the thing here. Here. So and moreover here you can say the steps in called like filtering or cleaning up the raw data and filtering noise. Okay, then recognizing and removing outliers and removing or filling the missing values here. So when you collect the data, you have chance to get the repeated data, that is called duplicate data, and also invalid data. So you are having the data set up to 20 plus, some data is not required, maybe out of 20 10 is sufficient, means 10 you can remove it automatically. That's about the data wrangling. And next step is data analysis. Here whatever the cleaned and prepared data is, it's passed to the come to this step here. We can select the analytical techniques, what are things, and building the models and review the result, how the result will be later after. And moreover, the aim of the step is what means build machine learning model to analyze the data using various analytical techniques and review the outcome also. Moreover, start with the determination of the type of the problem, and so on and so on. Classification, upcoming session discuss everything, what is classification, regression, cluster analysis, association. So if you want to build the model, any model with the help of machine learning life cycle, we can follow these steps. Next is train model, or you can say model training. Here, this is one of the step. This is one of step here. So one of step here. Here we can train our model to improve its performance for better outcome the problem. What kind of problem you have, how you can solve. Moreover, we can use data sets to train the model using various algorithms, machine learning algorithm. Moreover, it's also required to understand the various patterns, rules, and features also. And test model is here once you are learning, these are trained on a given set, then we can test the model, how the model will support for you. Then we can check for the accuracy of our model by providing a test data to it. So machine, we know already what are the training you are giving input, based on that machine will react to that. React and provides the output in the outcome also. Then this model determines the percentage accuracy of the model as per the requirement of project or problem. Here test model only we predict and make confirmations whether his model is good, whether his model suitable, whether suppose you want to develop any model, we can follow the check the test model and check the accuracy, how much percentage accuracy. If it is okay, we can carry forward. Otherwise, you can go back and start from the beginning and again check it out. What are things we can do and what are things we can do here like. Next is the deployment step. Here's the last step and our final, or you can say final step of the deployment, where you can deploy the model. Definitely you can make model, and also we have billion model. We have where we get a billion model that ready to go for the production here. So it's a that means outcome. The final outcome when we are generated here. This is similar to making the final report for a project. We can say. Moreover, we can after getting the accurate result, we can go it for the test. After testing the model, train the model, we can go for implementation. It's exactly after deployment, you can go for implementation to the real world system. How it's like that. So these are the basic things about the machine learning life cycle. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe also. Thank you.